back and welcome to my channel. We're going to jump right into this video making our U-Part wig. We have our wig cap, 2 bundles, 120 and 22 inch, scissors, combs, needle, and thread. We're going to hand sew our bundles to our wig cap, starting with the 22 inch and then the 20. I would recommend outlining the path in which we choose to sew. So I have proactively put about 3 or 4 braids in my head off camera, and right now I am trying to lay my edges to the gods, so just give me a minute to do so. Now, because this wig cap is so much lighter than my hair, I do not recommend using this color if you have dark hair like mine. Okay guys, please don't make the mistake that I made. With the wig cap, of course, my purpose to use it was to make a wig with the closure. However, this is what I had, and I didn't think about it at the time, but now I see that I had to spray some black hairspray on the wig cap so that the wig cap would not show through my hair. So that's just a tip. When you're picking out a wig cap, make sure you get the color of your hair color. Always do a back turn so you can see what it looks like from the back. If you have to recurl it. Of course I had to, and then I wanted to blend in a little bit more. So just make sure your hair is exactly how you want it. To add a little bit of volume to my hair, I use a little mousse and heat protector, and that was about it. Hey, okay, so this is the final result of my U-Part wig that I made. Okay, but I left my leave out, of course. Tried to get it to a good texture, as silky as possible, because this hair is it has like a little silk to it. So I just put little mousse and some heat to it, then just bent it a little bit, but that was it. I'm not the best at curling, but I did what I could. Okay, so this is what it is. Of course I did stitch everything on my own. I'm still learning how to stitch with a sewing machine. It's a bit difficult, okay, but I'll get it. Until then, I'll just do it, you know, by hand, and this is what it is. I like it, and remember, this is only 2 bundles, so I made it work. I mean, of course, it's, you know, to each his own. If you want more fuller, then that's great. But I had 2 bundles on hand, so I was like, let me see what I can work with. Okay, it's quarantine time, so I was bobbing and weaving while quarantining, and that's what this came of. So thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye.